Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending upon what time of the day you are watching this video. I am Rudra Sharma, your instructor for today, and welcome to our channel, Let Me Excel. This is the place where we share the various tips and tricks about Microsoft Excel and Google Spreadsheet. So far, we have not shared anything related to Google Spreadsheet, but in coming days, we'll definitely do that. In the last video, we learned about value filter in Excel. And if you have not checked it out, you can do so by clicking on this link, which I will be giving in the description. In today's video, we are going to learn about conditional formatting. Before I show you how it can be used, I'll show you two tables on my screen here. Wherever it is highlighted in green, those are bigger numbers, and whichever are highlighted which are light red, they are lowest number, and the yellow ones are somewhere in middle. So this is conditional formatting, like format a value, format a cell based on the condition, based on cell value or based on some other condition. So that's why it is called conditional formatting. Let us dive into it and try to learn how it is done. Alright, so in order to learn conditional formatting, let us go to our regular sample file. This is the one. So let us try to do it on profit column. To apply conditional formatting, I have to select the cells. Alright, so my range is selected now. So I have to go to home, then conditional formatting, and under conditional formatting you have many options. So let us go for highlight cell rules. Even in highlight cell rules you have many options like greater than. So let us see one by one. Greater than. Okay, as soon as I click on this greater than, Excel is suggesting me some number like format cells that are greater than 1339.50. Based on my data, it is suggesting a number. So I can type in any number like format cells that are greater than, say for example, 200. So as soon as I type 200, light red fill with dark red text. This is already selected, so Excel previewed this, Excel suggested this one. Okay, so if I click OK, I'll get this kind of formatting. If I'm okay with this, I can just click on OK. Otherwise I have to choose from here. So since it's a profit big number, so I'll go for green one. It shows me which all cells are more than 200. Somewhat similar to value filter, right? In filter, it shows only those records that meet the criteria. That means all other ones are hidden. Whereas in conditional formatting, it shows everything. It doesn't hide anything, but it highlights, it formats those cells which meet the criteria. This is the basic difference between filter and conditional formatting. Alright, that was about greater than. Let us see how less than works. Under highlight cell rules, less than, same way, I have to input some number here. I will not go for what Excel has suggested. Any number which are less than 50, let us highlight those. I'm okay with red. 10 records are there which are less than 50. That's it about less than. The next one is between. In filter also we had between. In between you have to give two numbers, the lower number and the higher number. Both numbers should be given. Let us try to apply formatting to certain numbers like 100 and 350. Okay, not in red, let us say this time yellow. There are few records like the first one 106.36, 197, 116, 162. So these are the records which are in between 100 and 350. And equal to, it's very simple, like equal to say 2671.40. So this time let us apply some other format, light red fill. This number is formatted. If we had many records of 2671.40, then it will highlight all those records. Okay, that was about equal to. So all these while we did for the values. So I can do this for the text also. So text that contains, because this particular field is value field, so I cannot do it. So let me go to some other field and show you like how it works for text. Okay, let us do this in category column. Select it. Let me go to conditional formatting, highlight cells, and text that contains. I want anything that contains binders. All these binders format in light red fill with dark red text. Okay, if I'm okay with that, I'll choose. Otherwise let me select in red border or red text. All the records which has binders in it is formatted in red. Okay, and not necessary that I have to choose from here itself. I can go and conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains binders. Okay, if I'm okay with these options, fine. Otherwise, go to custom format and background or border or whatever type of format you want to apply. So I want to change the background color to yellow. Wherever the word binders is available, I want to format it as yellow background. Cell background color as yellow. So I'll click OK. So now, and wherever it contains, even if it is just binders here, now it is not formatted. If I change it to binders, because no matter where the word binder is there on the cell, it will format as yellow background. Okay, that is about text that contains and date occurring. Okay, if my data is order date is there, right? Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Okay, date occurring. So if anything is today's date, let us make it as red border. Okay, and let us change some dates to today's date. Okay, to enter today's date, all I have to do is press Control and semicolon. So wherever I have today's date, say it is formatting as red text. Okay, so if you see here, these are red border. Okay, this is how we use a date occurring under conditional formatting. And duplicate values, say for example, now I have duplicate values here because this one is also today's date, this one is also today's date, and this one is also today's date. So let me highlight this column, and with the help of conditional formatting, let me try to figure out whether it is a duplicate value or not. So all I have to do is click on duplicate values. Okay, so if there are any duplicate values, it will highlight in whatever format we have chosen here. Duplicate, unique. Okay, if they are unique, it's not only duplicate. If they are not duplicate, that is unique also, then it highlights. See, order date is unique, 1/1/2010 is unique, so it is highlighting only those records. So let me change to duplicate. Since they are repeating, it is highlighting all these records. Okay, let me cancel it. Then next one is, that's it, under highlight cell rules. And next one is top bottom. So top 10 items. Okay, in filter, value filter also we saw this top 10 items. Let us see which are the top 10 items. Let us go to sales column and let me highlight entire rows of data and conditional formatting, top bottom rules, top 10 items. So you can change the numbers here. If you want to see top 20, then you can change. So let us go for top 15, and if it is top 15, let me format as green fill with green text. If the values are top 15, then they are formatted as green text. Okay, I'm not able to see here because the list is very big. Let me sort it so that the highest value come at the top. So these are the records which are top 15. As you can see here, there are 15 records and they are highlighted. Okay, so this was about top 10. Let us see bottom 10 items. So before that, let me remove the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, clear rules from entire sheet. So it's removed now. So now I'll select this entire column and go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, bottom 10 items. So these bottom 10 are formatted this way. So next one is above average. So let me remove the formatting first. So top 10 above average. Here 1790.25. So until here, these are many records. 3527 records are there which are above average. And same way I can do below average also. The video is becoming longer, so I'll cover other ones like data bars, color scales, icon sets, and few other things in next video. This much for today. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel so that you get the instant notification whenever we publish any new video. And thank you for watching, and thank you for all the support you have been giving us. Okay, thanks for all your comments, likes, and sharing. Thank you very much. Have a great day. We love you all.